Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Insert the display panel cable into the display panel ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.